नमस्कार दोस्तों, फिर से आप सबको का स्वागत है मेरे इस नए वीडियो पे। इस वीडियो पे मैं बात करने वाला हूँ एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन जो इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड है और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और ये मेक या ब्रेक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करता है आपका इंटरव्यू सक्सेस होने में। और ये क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई शुड वी हायर यू। तो दोस्तों, ये क्वेश्चन अब हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए अलग अलग तरीके का आंसर लेके आता है, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि अगर आप एक ग्रेजुएट हैं तो इसका आंसर अलग होगा, आप अगर एक्सपीरियंस्ड है इसका आंसर अलग होगा, और आप अगर एक इंडस्ट्री से दूसरे इंडस्ट्री स्विच कर रहे हैं तो इसका आंसर अलग होगा। तो मैं पहले स्टार्ट करता हूँ। अगर एक ग्रेजुएट है तो वो इसका आंसर किस तरीके से कर सकता है। तो सपोजिंगली आप बैठे हैं एंड देन दिस क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, so you should first of all thank the person who's asking you this question and tell that being a fresher, you don't have the work experience. However, you will bring your expertise of handling admin related work, extracurricular cultural activities related work which you managed in the college previously, and also studying full time and succeeding with colorful marks. Hence, you say that I don't have a work experience. However, I have managed offices, office work, and I completely understand and also know how to do multitasking in your paced industry to run along with the ones who are experienced. So, this is how our fresher should be answering, taking his experiences or sharing examples which he or she has done in the past while they were studying. It can be any example like you have got into a situation wherein you have to present something to the team or to entire college, or rather to all deans wherein you've been nominated. So you can present this as a case and say, I was the one who got this opportunity. This was a 5-day seminar wherein I was leading it completely, and in this 5 days I got to learn what team bonding is, how to get the task done from all different offices or from all different classes. It can be any example that is particularly to you, but this is how something you can frame your answer while you are answering this question, especially for the ones who are just passed out and sitting for a campus interview in the college. Now moving on to individuals who are experienced. Now for them it's not a new thing wherein they will be answering this answer. However, for them to know, it's really important they share their experience and their examples, the way they were in the previous organization, and why they would want to switch. Now, supposingly, I'm working for X company. It has 2,000 employees. However, I am applying for a company which has got more than 50 lakh employees working in that organization. However, my job role remains same, but I can for sure say that, sir, I have been working hard. I have been successful in my current organization in whichever role was been given to me, or whichever responsibilities were given to me. I was apt and was meeting deadlines. In fact, I was also nominated as one of the finest employees for 5 consecutive years. You can say if you have achieved so, but these are a few points which you can frame and rather put your experiences forward and answer this question. The only catch out here is you are moving from one company which is of base strength of employees were X, and you're moving to a bigger company, and your job role and responsibilities will be higher as compared to what you are currently. And then that's about it. You can go ahead and explain more in details as to what you are doing and what are your future expectations from the current role and responsibilities wherein you're currently stepping into, and I believe they'll be more than happy to hire you, and will be very eager to listen to your experiences and your wins that you had in your previous organization. Now, moving on to individuals who are switching from one industry to another industry. For example, if I say a IT individual would want to go and join a pharma segment or a pharma company. Now, for him, it's a complete switch of an industry wherein he has to portray his leadership traits, his communication traits, his qualities in terms of team management, in terms of time management, in terms of motivational skills. Because the moment I say industry switch, not necessarily it happens at your early stage. There might be few examples, but what I feel is it always happens at a higher level. Maybe MDs, VPs, CEOs would want to switch on to different companies. However, it is always these three core aspects which remain same in all the companies. How what are your leadership traits, how well you're good with the team, the way you manage team, you handle pressure, and what are your achievements or what sort of pressure you were going through in your earlier organization. Any examples of as such you can relate to, and you can draft the answer of that. So this not only applies for MDs, VPs and CEOs. I'm saying, situations currently are tough. If you would want to change your stream or industry at this point in time, is also very much needed and required basis on in which industry you're currently working with. But if you stick on to these three aspects of what have you done in your previous organization and how you can bring in changes, or rather bring in your expertise of what you have done in previously and inculcate, implement the same in your current organization to see better results, to reach towards the common goals. And that's about it. And I believe the one who's sitting and listening to you, the interviewer, will be really happy to see that sort of energy you're bringing in, and your enthusiasm while you're talking and explaining your experiences, your examples, your wins. And that's really, I believe, will be a change factor, and will keep you a little one step ahead than others who are there, who are actually not very well prepared for this question, because this is a question which will make or break your interview selection. So please guys, remember this, really important for you to sit back, understand and think about in which segment you are appearing for this interview, and why should that company hire you as an individual over others sitting outside the interview room, or rather anywhere who are applying it for. आई बिलीव आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा दोस्तों. अगर पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, कमेंट में शेयर करिएगा अगर ऐसी कुछ वीडियोस आपको फ्यूचर में भी चाहिए. हालांकि मैं अपने तरफ से जो भी लगता है कि इम्पोर्टेंट है मैं इस चैनल पे लाते रहूँगा. मेरे चैनल का नाम है ट्रेनिंग गुरु सुधीर. प्लीज़ उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक कर लीजिएगा. और तब तक के लिए आप सबको ऐसे अलविदा चाहता हूँ. प्लीज़ खुश रहिएगा, अपने आसपास सफाई रखिएगा और ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिएगा. तब तक के लिए वेट करिएगा मेरे अगले वीडियो का. नमस्कार.